The biggest problem with diet food isn't the calorie count. It's the fact that no one wants to eat it. Let's change that. Today, I'm making 3 cheat code recreations: shrimp tacos, cheeseburgers, and a buffalo chicken wrap. All in the air fryer, all lower in calories than the real version, and none of them taste like diet food. Before we dive into the food, a quick shout out to today's sponsor, Cosori. They hooked me up with their TurboBlaze 6-quart, and honestly, it's doing all the heavy lifting in the kitchen today. What makes this machine stand out isn't just the marketing hype. It has 5 actual fan speeds, making it a legitimate 9-in-1 appliance. Today, we're maxing it out on level 5 turbo mode, which handles the air frying, roasting, broiling, and frozen foods. And here's what I really like. This air fryer has ceramic coating. You get the non-stick, and you don't have to worry about the chemicals leaching into your food. Let's start with the shrimp tacos. Shrimp is one of the leanest proteins you could cook with, and when you cook it right, it doesn't taste like diet food. One non-negotiable step before anything goes in the basket: dry the shrimp completely. Any moisture left on the surface means your air fryer is steaming it, not crisping it. Spray the shrimp with some avocado spray and season with taco seasoning. Throw your shrimp into the basket and make sure each shrimp isn't touching each other. Give it one more spray, put it in the air fryer at 390 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes, and now we have our shrimp. In some low-carb tortillas, add 4 shrimp to each, and then our coleslaw mix, some homemade pico de gallo, and a squeeze of lemon. Each taco has just over 100 calories and 15 grams of protein. Next up, the cheeseburgers. For the meat, we're using 90-10 ground beef. Divide the meat into 4 equal burger patties, and then season with some salt, pepper, and garlic. And make sure you get the back as well. We'll carefully place our burgers into the air fryer, and we'll be cooking these at 375 for 8 minutes. Halfway through, give them a flip, and when they're all done, add some reduced fat Swiss cheese. Close the basket and let it melt from the residual heat. Once that's done, we'll assemble our burgers. We're using keto buns with light chipotle mayo, lettuce, red onion, and tomato. Place each burger on the mayo, and now assemble each burger. Each burger has 333 calories and 38 grams of protein. Last one, the buffalo chicken wrap. The craving that hits the hardest at the end of the week. Take your chicken thighs and make sure that they're bone dry using some paper towels. Spray with some avocado oil and season with some salt, garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, and some black pepper. Give it a good mix, and now place into the air fryer at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. Halfway through, give them a flip, and when they're done, put them on a cutting board, cut them up, and we'll brush on some buffalo sauce. Now let's build the wrap. Low-carb tortilla, homemade high-protein ranch, reduced fat Swiss cheese, our buffalo chicken, tomatoes, and lettuce. Wrap it up and slice, and enjoy. This whole wrap is 423 calories and 44 grams of protein. Cosori TurboBlaze link is in the description, one of the highest rated air fryers on Amazon. If you're someone trying to eat high protein without suffering through sad diet food, this is the move. Thank you guys for watching, and check out this video right here.